Somewhere in the frozen northwest of Russia, a rusty metal cap sits bolted to the ground. Beneath it is a hole so deep, so bizarre, and so full of impossible discoveries that scientists had to stop and seal it off forever. What they found on the way down rewrote our understanding of the planet we live on. This is the story of the Kola Superdeep Borehole, the deepest artificial point ever created on Earth, drilled by Soviet scientists during the Cold War. They spent over 2 decades boring straight down into the crust, hunting for answers about what our planet is actually made of. What they found was nothing like anyone expected. Drilling began on the 24th of May, 1970, on the Kola Peninsula in the far northwest of Russia. The Soviet Union had a bold, almost audacious goal: punch a hole deeper into the Earth than any civilization had ever managed. This was not a mining operation. This was pure scientific ambition, a race not against another country but against the planet itself. After 22 years of continuous drilling, the borehole reached its final depth of 12,262 meters. That is 40,230 feet, or just over 7.5 miles straight down. It still holds the record as the deepest vertical hole ever drilled in the history of humankind. No one has beaten it since. Before the Kola borehole, the world record was held by the Bertha Rogers gas well in Oklahoma, USA, which reached 9,583 meters in 1974. The Soviets obliterated that record, and they kept going, kilometer after kilometer, year after year, into rock that no human had ever seen or touched. Now here is where the mind-bending begins. That hole, the deepest point humans have ever physically reached, is only 23 centimeters wide, about 9 inches. Imagine a drain pipe, something you could peer into with a flashlight. That is the opening to the most extraordinary shaft on the surface of the Earth. Scientists expected that the deeper they drilled, the more they would confirm what they already believed about the Earth's crust. Seismic surveys, the standard tool for imaging underground structure, had painted a clear picture. Below the granite layer, at around 7 kilometers depth, there should be a transition to denser basalt rock. It seemed certain. It was textbook geology. It was wrong, completely, shockingly wrong. Instead of basalt, the drill kept hitting granite, all the way down. The layer that every seismic survey in the world had confidently predicted simply did not exist. The Kola borehole had just disproved a foundational model of how the continental crust is built. Everything geologists thought they knew about what lay beneath their feet was suddenly in question. But that is not even the strangest thing they discovered down there. Keep watching, because what scientists pulled out of that hole next was something that, by every rule of geology, simply should not have been there. Water. They found water at over 7 kilometers beneath the surface, not water that had trickled down from the surface over centuries. This was something far stranger. Scientists determined that the water had been formed by hydrogen and oxygen atoms that were literally squeezed out of the surrounding minerals under extreme pressure. Water that was born from rock itself, in a place where no water was supposed to exist. At a depth of over 6 kilometers, in rock that was more than 2 billion years old, geologists found something even more astonishing: 24 distinct species of fossilized, single-celled marine organisms. Microfossils, ancient life, perfectly preserved, locked inside rock older than complex animal life on Earth. Life had existed in places and depths that science had written off as impossible. Pause for a moment and let that sink in. These were ancient single-celled organisms, preserved in rock that formed before most complex life evolved on this planet. Finding them there, at that depth, under that pressure, fundamentally changed how scientists think about where life can survive. And there is still more to come. The next discovery is the one that baffled scientists most of all. If you are learning things you have never heard before, make sure you subscribe. It is completely free, and it helps this channel keep digging deeper. Because the most mind-blowing discovery from the Kola borehole is still ahead, and it involves something that made the entire drilling operation impossible to continue. Even reaching 7.5 miles down, the Kola borehole had only punched through approximately 1/3 of the continental crust. The crust beneath the Kola Peninsula runs roughly 35 kilometers thick, and the drill had barely scratched its way 1/3 of the way through. Below that is the mantle. Below that, the outer core. Below that, a solid inner core of iron and nickel as hot as the surface of the sun. 7.5 miles is humbling when you consider the full picture. The rock retrieved from the very deepest sections of the borehole was approximately 2.7 billion years old. Think about what that means. Long before complex animals evolved, before fish, before insects, before dinosaurs, this rock had already been sitting in the dark, under immense pressure, waiting. The drill brought up pieces of ancient Earth that had not seen light since before the Cambrian explosion. Now here is where it gets genuinely terrifying. Stay with this, because what you are about to hear explains why the hole was sealed, and why no drill on Earth could continue. Scientists had predicted that at the depths they were reaching, temperatures would hover around 100 degrees Celsius, roughly the boiling point of water. Manageable. Planned for. The drill equipment was designed with that in mind. They were wrong by nearly double. The actual temperature at the bottom of the Kola borehole reached approximately 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, nearly twice what anyone had calculated. At those temperatures, something extraordinary and terrifying happened to the rock itself. It stopped behaving like a solid. The rock began to flow, almost like plastic, pressing back against the drill, sealing the hole as fast as it was being made. The Earth was fighting back. Every time the drill stopped turning, the rock flowed in around it, gripping it, threatening to trap the entire drill string kilometers underground. Equipment that had been engineered to handle intense conditions was failing. The mission that had consumed 22 years and the resources of an entire superpower was being defeated by heat and geology. Then the Soviet Union collapsed, and with it, the funding. In 1995, the project was officially abandoned. The borehole was capped, the facility fell into disrepair, and the deepest point humans had ever reached was sealed under a bolted metal plate. Today, that cap still sits on the Kola Peninsula, forgotten by most of the world, covering a shaft that goes deeper than any human being has ever physically gone below the Earth's surface. What the Kola borehole gave science is extraordinary. Proof that our models of the Earth's crust were fundamentally flawed, evidence that water forms in ways we never imagined, ancient life in places life should not exist, and a humbling reminder that even with decades of effort and the full might of a superpower, we barely scratched the surface of our own planet. 7.5 miles down, and the Earth still had secrets we could not reach. If the Kola borehole just blew your mind, wait until you see what else is hiding in the deep rabbit hole. Our next video goes even further into the hidden, the forbidden, and the genuinely mind-blowing facts that most people never hear. Subscribe right now so you do not miss it, because the Earth is stranger than anyone told you, and we are just getting started.